Good morning, class, and happy Monday. I just wanted to do a little video to help you guys with the work today and to access Read 180. Excuse my voice, I'm not really feeling that well. So, you guys are used to accessing it through your bookmark, which is right here. Okay, that doesn't always work though, so I also posted it on Google Classroom. It says your URL for Read 180, that might work. And also, if you go into today's classwork, it is on the assignment. Okay? So today's learning target is I can identify important events in a text and cite evidence. And we're working on pages 298 and 299. So you're going to go into the program, and then you're going to click on the real book, which is our workbook. And then if you go up to support and then contents, you can go right down to, okay, so here are vocabulary words, delay and offense. And you are going to read this play, okay? The play between two people, that's called dialogue. So you're going to read this page, and then you're going to go to the next page and read that too. And then after you read both pages, you're going to go back to your Google Doc and answer the question. What challenge must Jordan overcome in this part of the text? So what does he have to do next, okay? And so I want you to answer the question in your own words. You're going to restate it, you're going to answer, and then cite evidence. How do you know that what he has to overcome? Okay, if you're still having trouble access Read 180, please chat me, email me, let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you guys. Also, if you're missing any work, let's set up time to work together to make up all your work so you guys can have fantastic grades. I know the marking period is ending soon. Okay, happy Monday. Have a great day. It's going to be beautiful out.